Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple iPhone without any apps very easily. So this is Anis, welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So I'm using right now Apple iPhone 11, so and it's pretty much same thing, and its iOS is 16. So for resetting iPhone, you have to go settings, then here is general and swipe up, and here is transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap here, and as you can see, preparing for a new iPhone. So here two different options, reset or erase all content and settings. So first thing first is, if you have any data, please backup, otherwise every data is removed. So I already backupped my data, so just tap on erase all content and settings, and as you can see it is this iPhone, yes, Apple apps and data almost 18.08 GB. So tap on continue and give your passcode like that. Then it's asking again erase iPhone, so it takes few moments to restart and resetting iPhone. So you have to wait few moments. I think it is take 2 or 3 minutes. So resetting done. Right now Apple iPhone says hello, so just swipe up and select your language, obviously English, then select your country or region. I'm selecting mine, one is Bangladesh. Select this, then it's settings language, and now setup manual and continue. So check Wi-Fi, here is searching my Wi-Fi, this one, then done. After that it take a few minutes to active your iPhone, so you have to wait again. Then data and privacy, just to continue, and it required Face ID, but I'm not going to set up Face ID right now, so tap on setup later, or if you use Face ID then tap on continue, but I tap on setup later, and it required passcode. Just give a passcode for simple, then it creating passcodes again. Restore iCloud backup or anything, so don't transfer apps and data, tap on here. And if you have any Apple ID, then give this here, or if you don't have, or you don't want to give Apple ID, just forget password or don't have an ID, tap here and just tap on setup later in setting and don't use, then tap on agree, update your iPhone, continue and continue, obviously enable, and setup later, screen time continue, and share apples. Lots of things you have to agree with them. And last one is preparing which theme you are going to use, light or dark. I'm selected light, then continue, and display zoom, continue, welcome to iPhone, then swipe up. Now it's ready to use. As you can see, my every data gone, song, videos, photos, everything gone. I have available 116.82 GB. That's mean right now iPhone is very clear. So here is my data. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.